Any disease, it has an effect of involvement of physical and mental. Okay, and when you take an example of psoriasis, of course the triggering factor is the psychological aspects. It might be work related or personal aspect related, which might be a triggering factor, or even genetics comes into play also. There are various theories of how psoriasis, the causative factors of psoriasis, one being a genetic maybe, and one being even because of stress. You might have these factors which are causing the disease physically, starting from psychological. Now when we are trying to treat the patient, we first try to treat the physical aspect of it, and then we try to, and parallelly we try to treat the psychological aspect of it. Now in psychological aspect, we try to do shirodharas. We tell our patients to even undergo yoga treatments, yoga sessions in the morning. We even tell them to do pranayama sessions, which help to keep their mind calm and relaxed, and help to divert or de-stress from the stress which they're having. So we are trying to give them a wholesome treatment point of view. Panchakarma taking care of the physical problems, and the yoga and the pranayama and the shirodhara, all these things are able to take care of the psychological problem. Both of them are dealt on a parallel basis. If I treat one and if I'm not able to treat the other, we won't be able to get a better results. So we try to treat both of them more parallel. That's why we are able to see much more better results. The patients who go out of here are much more calmer. They know how to tackle their issues much more better. So, and the pranayama helps them really to connect with their physical self. Okay, and this will prevent any triggering of the diseases in future. Now, psoriasis has a very bad habit of recurrence. Even though you control it now, you might be just one stress point away from again triggering your disease as a whole. So we try to teach our patients to more or less tackle with their issues, and repeated treatments at our institution for a period of 2 years or 3 years. Once in a year they come, they have the treatments, and we will also be giving them medicines to take at their home, so that they can tackle the disease even when they are back at their home. And we try to give them mini panchakarmas, which will help to detoxify them on a regular basis when they are working also. So constant touch with the doctor and with the institution to treat the disorders, we can get a much better results. It's not that you come for 21 days, you take the treatment, you get 100% results and you go back. It's not as easy. You have to have a constant touch with the doctor and with the institution, so that we can keep you under our umbrella and try to tell you what to eat and what not to eat. Your diet is a very important factor, which we